Joey's Ookey Spooky Adventures.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Joey's Ookey Spooky Adventures. What you're about to hear, because it's not a video, this is all audio, is I'm actually sitting in my room and I'm trying to communicate with anything that could be there. What you're going to hear is brown noise. I am using a device that picks up voices called EVPs, electronic voice phenomenon, and they're pretty clear. It's basically just a dictionary that plays when it thinks that it's a word is being said. It'll play a word. It's hard to explain how it works. I know it works really well, obviously, because I'm about to show you. I pretty much ask for it to say the names of my cats, which are Bubbles and Nightwing. Those are the names of my cats, and I said, hey, if you don't say the names of my cats, we ain't gonna talk, because I truly didn't believe anything was really going on. I thought it was just an app that comes up with random words. So I said, my cat's names are Bubbles and Nightwing. Unless you say that, we're not communicating. I'm not talking to anybody. I'm just talking to a machine. So what you're about to hear is real, and I've added some subtitles because it's really hard to hear. I was just recording it with the microphone on my phone. So here we go.
Can't be too hard to say Bubbles. I'm waiting. Inconsistent. Oh, we're still not saying any of the names of my cats. I know the name Bubbles is on there, and so is that name. So many Bubbles to me. Holy crap. It just said Bubbles and Nightwing. Alright, okay. A plus, I'll give you that one. We have some communication going on.
Alright, so let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's an intelligent haunt or something residual? Should I keep investigating? Should I stop? Let me know what you think in the comments.